In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Squarespace member areas in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to offer exclusive content for subscribers or manage a thriving online community, Squarespace member areas make it simple and effective. Let's dive right in and ensure you're set up for success. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, head over to your main dashboard. Familiarize yourself with this space, as it will be your hub for managing everything related to your website. Once you've found your way around, click on the option labeled Website. This will take you into the configuration area where you can make various changes to the structure and functionality of your site. From there, click on Pages. This is where you'll manage all the different parts of your website, including your member areas. You'll notice a section called Not Linked. Here is where we're going to add our new member site. Look for the plus icon next to Not Linked and click it. This will begin the process of adding a new page. Now you'll see various options, and what you'll want to select is Member Site. Choosing this option will allow you to directly manage member-specific content within your website. Once selected, you'll need to choose a layout for your member site's homepage. Give it a name that clearly reflects what the members-only area will feature, which helps both you and your members identify it easily. This will create a brand new Member Sites section in your Pages panel. To build out your member area further, click on ADD Page. This is a flexible choice where you can add different types of content specifically tailored to your members' needs. Whether you want to add upcoming events, courses, or scheduling functionalities, the choice is yours. You're not limited to one type, allowing for creativity in how you engage with your members. Next, navigate to the pricing plan area. Click on it to create a pricing plan for access to the member's site. Here you have choices to make, whether you want to charge a fixed amount, set up a subscription model, or even offer free access. Selecting the appropriate pricing model for your goals will shape how your user community interacts with your exclusive content. You can also add digital products to your member area. Simply link these products to different pricing plans or tiers, giving you flexibility in how you manage membership perks. Finally, link this newly created block to the pricing plan you developed. This way, when a user signs up or makes a purchase, they'll be prompted to create an account, thus granting them access to the member-only content. And with that, you're all set to start engaging with your community in a more exclusive and interactive way.